Your day starts with like 50 missed calls and thousands in business already slipping away. Missed call, voicemail, no follow-up. Another customer gone. That customer inquiry from Tuesday, no one called back. The SMS follow-up, never sent. Notes from the last conversation, nowhere to be found. Your team tells leads, we'll get back to you in 2 to 4 business days. And the worst part? No one knows what that customer actually wanted.
And just like that, you lose them to a faster competitor.
All that outreach, all those leads, gone. You're not losing on price. You're not losing on product. You're losing on speed. What if every call was answered instantly, even at 2 a.m.? What if follow-ups happened automatically? Calls and SMS, never forgotten. Every conversation logged with full history and context. Inside your CRM, visible to everyone. Meet JustCall and stop losing customers to faster competitors. All your incoming calls are answered, routed, and handled automatically 24/7. A customer saved $200,000 in the first year. Reach more prospects faster.
Predictive dialers connect your team only with live answers.
No more wasted dials. Keep your leads warm with automated SMS while your team focuses on conversations that close. One customer said their connect rate tripled. Coach with data, not guesswork. Every call is automatically scored, summarized, and synced to your CRM across 100+ integrations with tools like Pipedrive, HubSpot, Salesforce, and much more. See what's working with real-time insights. Spot trends, scale what wins. When volume spikes, workflows and AI handle it, so your team doesn't break. Whether you're answering 100 calls a day, dialing through 1,000 leads, or running sales and operations at scale, JustCall helps you move faster, close more, and never lose to a competitor who just picked up the phone quicker. Fast, reliable, built for ambitious teams. That's JustCall.